All right, today we're looking at the 2016 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This one is a manual. It's only got 2,900 miles on it. This is as clean as one will get. It's a one owner, clean CARFAX, clean everything. Only 2,000 miles. Like I said, my favorite part, this is a manual transmission. So it is a real 6-speed. You got full Bluetooth, all the other bells and whistles. Got the cup holders. Doors are real nice. It's almost got a carbon fiber look on there. 2016 with 2,000 miles on it. This one's going live on the website right now at BRIANSAutocenter.com.